Hi everyone, it's Bonnie here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on another mixed media tag, and I just cut these tags out by hand using a recycled cereal box. Okay, and then I just added one coat of gesso so far. I'm letting them dry, and then I'm going to go back in and just apply a second coat, and that should give me a nice surface to work on. I just made some extras for later. So I'm just going to get started. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, I'm just using some unbleached titanium paint as my first layer. So my tag is completely dry, and now I'm just going to add this lovely stamp to my tag. So I don't have a stamping block that's big enough, so I am just going to place the tag face down onto my stamp once I get the paint fully on this the stamp here. There we go. There we go. All right. So I'm just going to put this stamp aside before I drop it. Okay, now I'm just going back in with my unbleached titanium. I watered it down. I added a little bit of white as well. And I'm just going to sponge this on top of the tag. Okay, and I have this khaki color. I'm going to add some of this too. It's a little darker than the unbleached titanium. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this dry. And I'm just using like a earth green color to stamp over my stencil. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna add my butterfly stamp to the corner. This is just water-based ink. I think I might be out of ink. So I'll just add some more ink. Using my oil pastel now and raw umber to add some color around the outer edge. So I was just going through some of my die cuts and my stickers, and I narrowed it down to a few little pieces here. So I found this little notebook, and what I did is I just glued it on top of some cardboard to make it 3D. So I'm going to add that right around here. I found this little botanical exploration, so I'm going to glue that on top of my little burlap. This is actually like it comes in a roll, and the back is like sticky, so it's nice and convenient. So I'm just gonna glue that on top of there and then peel the back and stick it down. And then I have these 2 mushroom stickers, and to be honest, I've never really used these stickers before. I do have a few little sets, and I'm not sure how to get the back off. People make it look so easy, and I don't see an area that is sort of cut in half to easily peel it. So I'm gonna have to figure this out in just a moment. Oh, here we go. I think I got it. Or maybe not. So I'm gonna have to fuss with this, and then I will be right back. Okay, I got it. I got it. All right. So I think I'll stick this mushroom right here. And let's see if I can get this one. It's not good for my weary eyes. Let's see if I can. Okay, I'm gonna see if my husband can get this. I cannot seem to get this to peel apart. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. Okay, I'm gonna place my sentiment about here. So let me just, I know this one's easy to unpeel. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see. I think I'm gonna add another little butterfly over here. There. And I bought this new twine just recently, and I'm gonna add that. Alright, so that is it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I will hopefully see you on my next one. Bye everyone. Take care.